In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent duplicate submissions in Jotform. If you've ever had someone fill out your form multiple times when you only wanted one response, this quick setting will help you keep your data clean and your results accurate. First, log into your Jotform account and open the form you want to protect from duplicate entries. Once your form is open, head to the top menu and click Settings. You'll land on the Form Settings page, which controls how your form behaves behind the scenes. From here, select Show More Options to expand the advanced controls. This reveals a list of additional configuration choices that aren't visible by default. Scroll until you find the option labeled Unique Submission. This is the feature that controls whether a person can submit your form more than once. Click the drop-down and you'll see two choices: Check Cookies Only and Check Cookies and IP Address. Here's what they mean. Check Cookies only uses a small file saved in the visitor's browser to remember that they've already submitted the form. It's a simple and user-friendly way to block duplicates from the same browser on the same device. Keep in mind, if someone switches browsers, uses another device, or clears their cookies, they could submit again. Check Cookies and IP Address is more strict. In addition to cookies, it also checks the user's network address. This helps catch cases where someone tries to submit from multiple browsers on the same network. It's effective, but be thoughtful. On shared networks like offices, schools, or events, different people may share the same IP address, and this setting could unintentionally block legitimate responses. It can also be affected by VPNs or mobile networks that change IPs frequently. Choose the option that best fits your situation. If you want basic protection without risking blocks on shared networks, Check Cookies Only is usually the safest bet. If your form is sensitive and you need stronger control, Check Cookies and IP Address gives you that extra layer. Changes you make here apply to this specific form and are saved automatically. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. After setting Unique Submission, preview your form to confirm everything looks good. If you're testing the behavior, remember that cookies are browser specific, so try a different browser or a private window to simulate a new visitor. And if you expect legitimate repeat responses, consider whether stricter blocking is necessary for your use case. That's it. With a few clicks, you've set up Jotform to prevent duplicate submissions and keep your dataset clean and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy form building.